Let's integrate your puzzle workspace with your Zapier automations in 2 minutes. See how your Zaps fit into your other operations and get quick links automatically. Let's start with setting up the integration. First, make sure you're logged into your desired Zapier account. Then head to Puzzle and select your desired workspace. Click into the Tools tab. Then search for Zapier in the left sidebar. Add the tool if it's not yet on your canvas, or click the purple arrow to take you directly to the Zapier tool and open the tool sidebar. Next, click the purple sync icon in the right sidebar. Click Add Zapier account. You're almost done. Confirm the Zapier account is correct and then click Authorize. That's it, you're integrated. Now you're ready for the fun part. Let's add new steps to your puzzle canvas in just a few clicks. Click into the Workflows tab. Then click the sync icon to toggle the integration sidebar open. Find the correct Zapier account and click the blue sync icon to fetch all of your current Zapier automations. This may take a few seconds. Now you're seeing the list of all your Zapier automations. Find the Zap you want to add and click the blue plus icon. Voila! Your step has been added to the canvas. It's automatically named the title of your Zap. Click the sync icon for the live Zapier link. Click Visit Workflow to open the Zapier automation in a new tab. No more struggling to find the right Zap. Click the Information tab to edit all other step information. As with all steps in Puzzle, use the sidebar for all extra context, including roles involved, automation status, any extra notes and links for context. This is what Puzzle calls deep documentation. Now let's sync any steps you have already mapped on your puzzle canvas to Zapier automations. Search the map or use the search feature to find the step you've already mapped. Click on your desired step. Then, within the step sidebar, click the purple sync icon. Then click the blue Sync icon next to the desired Zapier account to pull a live feed of all the automations. Find the related Zapier automation title and click the blue plus button to sync this step with that Zap. The Visit Workflow hyperlink has been added automatically, which will open up the Zapier automation in a new tab. All done. Now repeat this process until all of your Zaps have been mapped. The left integration sidebar plus signs indicate whether any Zaps still need to be synced for real-time process accountability. Cheers to synced documentation. Did you accidentally connect the wrong Zap to a step? No problem. Click into the step to open up the sidebar. Then click the purple sync icon. Click Disconnect Step and you're done. All other step details remain the same. Integrate with your favorite automation platforms all in one place and allow Puzzle to keep your documentation updated for you automatically. Get started today.